Alright, what's up, YouTube? Oh man, I'm looking about rough, fresh off work, but this is part 2 of the Honda Del Sol budget build. In this video right here, I'm gonna show y'all some of the parts and everything I picked up for the car and a little bit of what I got going so far. Alright, so far we got test pipe, 4-inch catback exhaust. The car is straight piped at the moment. We also got, ooh, man, tripped over there. Set of wheels for it. It's gonna match. Gonna have to go get a tire. Y'all know I always get them sandpaper wheels with no threads whatsoever. Hey, you. All right, back to the video. Trailing arms. Got the trailing arms for both sides. DNA, we got shift extension. The shift extension came with shift knob and a short shifter. Also, we looking at, let me set this over here for a sec. Brand new inside speakers, 6.5 on the Hyphonics Zeus. I'm running with Hyphonics and anything, man. They sound good. Refurbished Bluetooth radio, because it's done been in like 8-9 cars that I had, but I trust that radio better than 80% of the cars. Lug nuts. Got lug nuts, because it's got them wheel locks on there, which I'm still struggling with to get off. Like, look at this thing. I got one set on there, but that wheel there, jacked up. I got to figure out how to, actually, I'm gonna have to drill out that stud. We have the lights for the dashboard. We're gonna be lighting up that dashboard, getting it looking better. I actually got 20 of those. This box right here, we got our shifter bushes. That's gonna tighten up the sloppy shifter. And last but not least, interior LED lights. It's going in the floorboard. All right, now the best part about this video, this is the part I want y'all to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment. I'm going to be giving y'all an unboxing or unwrapping of that new rear bumper. eBay special. Let's just see. And what's gonna be the best way to cut into this? Come on. Yeah. They went crazy with the wrap though. They ain't leave no room for this thing to come undone. Set y'all up right here for a sec. Hey, whoever wrapped this, they ain't play no games. They were making sure this thing wasn't coming out.
Thank you. This is the main part. Finish off to make the car a car. Okay, here we go. Ready? Y'all ready? Good. You can flip it over.
Little red bumper, y'all. Now we're gonna be in the game. Coming to do your part inspection. Go ahead, check it out. So as y'all can see, I got a lot of work that's about to go into the deal. So got the bumper, got the distributor seals, tires, plenty of eBay special parts. This about to be a nice little budget bill. Subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned because part 3 is coming. And I can't even tell you what part 3 is gonna be. Just know I'm gonna be installing some part and bringing that car back to life. Hey, real talk, just before I end this video, because I really, man, look, I'm trying to get these subscribers up and let y'all know I'm putting in that work. Check this out. All right, here we go. As you can see, I went crazy and got that wheel off. Now that the wheel's off, you know it's time to go ahead and get her back together.